Today we got some exciting news about the upcoming Iqoo 13, which is all set to launch in China on October 30th and in India between December 1st and 10th. So let's dive into all the cool features this new flagship phone is bringing. First off, Iqoo has confirmed the Iqoo 13 will come in 4 stunning colors: green, white, black and grey. It's designed to look sleek and modern with a flat, minimalist style. One of the standout details is the light ring around the camera module, which adds a nice touch of flat. Under the hood, the Iqoo 13 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This is a beast of a processor offering top-tier performance in terms of CPU, GPU and AI. It's fast, efficient and perfect for anyone who needs serious power from their phone. And for the gamers out there, it has a SuperComputing chip Iqoo, which allows for gameplay at up to 144 frames per second. That's going to make mobile gaming smoother than ever. Now let's talk about the display. The Iqoo 13 has a massive 6.82-inch 2K AMOLED display. It's flat, super sharp and comes with 144Hz refresh rate. That means your visuals are going to be not just vibrant but ultra smooth, perfect for streaming, gaming and just about anything else you do on your phone. And do not worry about the battery life. The Iqoo 13 packs a huge 6150 mAh battery and it supports 120 watts fast charging. So even if you're running on low power, you don't need to worry about it. Let's not forget the cameras. The Iqoo 13 has a triple camera setup on the back with 3 50-megapixel lenses. That includes the primary, ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. This setup will let you capture stunning photos in all sort of conditions. And for selfies, it got a 32-megapixel front camera which can shoot even in 4K. So your video calls and vlogs are going to be really amazing. To sum it up, the Iqoo 13 is shaping up to be a powerhouse, combining a great performance, a beautiful display and top-notch cameras. Remember, it launches in China on October 30th and will be available in India from early December. If you are thinking of upgrading to a flagship phone, the Iqoo 13 could be just what you're looking for. That's it for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and subscribe Gearbytes for more updates like this. And as always, I catch you in the next one.